love it. I love it. Okay, anyway. Hello, welcome on the channel. Today nothing especially interesting, just everyday jobs, every day, every second day, always plenty small jobs to do. It was silver one, but I changed my mind and right now it's a black one. It means I painted black. Yes, I'm in garage, means luggage area. It came time to replace bolts for nicer. Instead standard hex. Oh, something is visible. It will be nice Allen. I know, this is only garage, but it's job which have to be done. Not like that, so I need a light here. I need a shelf support. So instead of fixing just shelf support, I fit the light. Of course, it will be too easy and too simple if I do it like everybody. Why I don't fit it earlier, I don't know. Let's hope I can fish these wires later on. The worst case, I can pull out this wall. So worst case is right now. I'm gonna spend half a night. Jesus! Something sharp. it should be a bit heated before it's heated up. And yes, a hole. Oh, everything is dark. Hole to run the diesel line plus wiring for the pump. So anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry, so content was not such interesting like usually, interesting at least for me. Please subscribe, like and comment.